One of the neat features that the client found that she really liked was the barn door styled entrance doors. So the contractor was able to incorporate a barn door as the access into this new master bathroom closet space. Another very important feature to the client was having laundry baskets right here in the bathroom. Another really neat feature that the client had seen on Pinterest was incorporating a power dock to incorporate all of her hair dryer and her curling iron and those items. We can actually turn them on right here, and we can put them away hot because they're setting into metal cans. One of the neat features obviously that they were able to provide was mirror covered outlet covers, so that putting them on the mirror, they just kind of blend right in. The homeowner had actually seen a picture, and she shared that with the contractor, myself, with the open shelves at the end of the tub space, and just to put decorative items up there, and I think that turned out absolutely beautiful. The freestanding tub obviously is a really current look for bathrooms that have separate tubs and shower areas, and the freestanding style just really takes on a kind of a unique look and a very decorative style. In here we have the shower space. They were able to utilize 3 different shower heads. We have the rain head up on the ceiling, and then we have a shower head at both ends. We did discuss that they really were hoping to achieve this shower area without a door. And talking with the consumer, they have very little splatter that comes outside of here. They've been able to maintain that with a rug. So she said it dries up really quickly with the rubber back on the rug, so it really has not been a problem at all. And you don't have the challenge of opening and swinging a door. So